Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a unique smartphone, a BlackBerry KEYone. So we're gonna replace the screen here, and it's kind of unique. Like what I've said, it's very unique. So it's not like your other smartphones that it's just a slab of glass. This one has some chamfered edges, keyboard, and of course this top part that we have to remove first to get access to the internal parts. And it's kind of tricky. It's not that every day David is dealing with BlackBerry smartphones. So it's gonna require some patience and time to remove this bit. So it's held on by adhesives. It's plastic, which is a good thing because it can bend. We can't really damage it. Just a bit of scratch. We're gonna cut off the adhesives. These are not wires. And another cut here to fully remove this tab or cover. And you can see that there's some screws. There's 2 screws on top of the device. We have to remove it. And then it's kind of a sleeve solution. It covers the camera and the speaker grill. And this time we can now remove the back cover. This is also plastic, really flexible, and you can just yank it out. There's no connector that's holding it in place. We're gonna remove this bracket. This covers the connection for the screen. This one is for the battery. On top of it, we have to remove the battery first. And this is for the screen. So this is the replacement screen. So unlike other smartphones, it's really smaller. So we're gonna try this first without fully disassembling the device. Put back the battery connection, and it's charging. It's responding to charge. This is a good sign, but we'll still have to turn it on. And it is turning on without the charger plugged in. And as you notice, we're gonna fast forward this. There's booting animation, booting sequence takes a lot of time. This is BlackBerry, powered by Android, so if you're an Android user, this will be very familiar to you. Brightness is responding, touch is responding. Buttons are okay. Now we can shut down the device and remove the screen. So we did it off screen because it's kind of tedious to remove it. And we're gonna clean the old adhesives on the side so that we can prepare the new screen. It will be flush into this frame when we install it. We're gonna do a thorough cleaning. Just do it right or don't do it at all. And this is our liquid glue that will be holding onto the display. So in terms of repairability, the BlackBerry KEYone is very repairable. You can replace the screen, the battery, but you will need some expertise. You'll have to be an expert on the infrastructure and the design of it. As you can see, it's not using the traditional modern smartphone construction, so you have to take it to a certified technician, or don't do it at all because it's kind of risky, even though this device is gonna be phased out soon because BlackBerry is gonna go away for good sometime. And this one is also done. And then the 2 screws, and then the tab on top, and then we'll be done. We're just gonna test it final testing before we give it to the client. And if you have a BlackBerry that you want to still to use, or you want to keep as a souvenir or something, you can head out to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We still have parts for it, believe it or not. And David can fix literally anything. Or not maybe anything, but anything modern smartphones. Thanks for joining, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.